Ramesses IV was the son of the great warrior king Ramesses III. He inherited a fragile kingdom, one weakened by conspiracies, internal struggles, and economic decline. Yet Ramesses IV had a dream. He launched mining expeditions to Sinai, revived temple constructions, and aimed to restore Egypt's power. His vision included building a grand mortuary temple, one that could rival his ancestors' monuments. He closely aligned himself with the priesthood, especially in Thebes. He offered land and resources to temples, trying to secure both spiritual and political support. In inscriptions and papyri, we see a king who was thoughtful, reform-driven, and aware of Egypt's challenges. One of his lasting legacies is Tomb KV2 in the Valley of the Kings, adorned with vibrant texts from the Book of Gates and the Book of the Dead. It tells us of a king who believed in the journey beyond and who sought immortality. But time was not on his side. After just 6 years on the throne, Ramesses IV died, possibly from illness. His vision was left incomplete, his temple unfinished. Historians often wonder, if Ramesses IV had ruled longer, could he have changed Egypt's course? He had the ambition, the wisdom, and the will, but not enough years. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow lovers of ancient history. There's always more to discover beneath the sands of Egypt.